Yeah.
I want to say this now. The appearance of a house oftentimes reflects the personality of the owner.
Yes, sir. Hallelujah. That's right.
I doubt if anyone in here would expect to go visit Mr. Gates, that's Bill that is, and walk in, old raggedy, smelly carpet, couch looked like it was in Hurricane Camille, struck by Rita, and then Camille came along and finished it. Katrina, rather, came and finished it. No, you walk in his house, you expect everything to be zenith of beauty. So, wow. Woo. It reflects the personality.
Right.
Now, our God is, last time I checked, holy.
Yeah.
Anybody got a holy God?
Yeah.
Now, if he is holy, then why should his house be holy?
Yeah. Talk, Bishop. Yeah.
And if his house is holy, why don't the kind of holiness his house is reflect the kind of holiness he is?
Yeah.
If he is holy, why would he want his house raggedy? Why would he want his house sinful? Why would he want his house polluted? Why would he want his house sterilized? Oh, did I say that? Devilized. Devilized. D-E-V-I-L-I-Z-E-D. Oh, Lord. Well, you bought with a price.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, glorify God in your body.
Glorify.
I didn't buy you so you could be used by sin, Satan, and the world.
Come on, Bishop.
I didn't buy you